Okay, so the next topic we will be covering here is our enhancements to 4-axis methods, and this would be available in starting with expert configurations of both Visual CAD/CAM and Rhino CAM in 2018. And to go over this, I'm going to bring in this part where we're going to talk about two different enhancements in 4-axis. Now there's a new 4-axis method that's been introduced, which is called create round operation. And in typical 4-axis applications, in woodworking applications, for example, where you're starting out with a rectangular blank, in most cases, you'd want to turn the rectangular blank into a cylinder, so you want to eliminate those sharp corners around the rectangular blank. So we've introduced a new operation called create round or create cylinder under 4-axis, and with this operation it'll automatically identify the stock that you've defined, and based on the part it will create a toolpath to create a round stock out of a rectangular block that you're going to be starting with. And I'm going to run a verification in here, and you'll notice that this method automatically can be used for creating a round stock out of a rectangular block that you'll be typically starting with. So this is a very efficient way to rough it out, and then you can program additional operations like pre-finishing and finishing operations for parts that you're going to be starting out with a rectangular blank. Again, this is one of the several enhancements that have gone into our 4-axis toolpaths, and this would be available right from our express configuration of the product. Now the next enhancement I'm going to talk about is a helical cut pattern that we've introduced in 4-axis, and this is available in 4-axis parallel finishing operation. And as you go over to the cut parameters tab, you will now notice that there's a new cut pattern that's available. That's a helical cut pattern. So this will allow you to constantly cut while it's rotating, eliminating the need to retract between each step overs. And this is a very efficient way to continuously cut as it follows along the 3D model. And as you can tell by looking at the toolpath here, it creates a continuous helical cut pattern, and it follows the geometry that you're trying to program. Again, this feature, the helical cut pattern, is offered right from our expert configuration in Rhino CAM and Visual CAD/CAM 2018. Again, folks, these are a few of the several enhancements that I'm previewing here in the webinar today, in the What's New webinar. So you can take a look at the entire list of enhancements by referring to the What's New document. If you do have any questions, please feel free to post those questions in the questions panel, and we'll try to get them answered for you.